You must not lose a faith in humanity. Humanity is an ocean. If few drops of ocean are dirty, then ocean does not become a dirty. Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Swati. Right now we all are facing one major issue, the pandemic. And the pandemic has started to trigger all other issues that are coming on the surface little by little. Among all other issues, one issue has started to damage the political relationship between countries, and that damaged political relationship somewhere affecting on communal relationship within communal relationship between countries. There is a quote by Rabindranath Tagore that says, "Patriotism cannot be our final spiritual shelter. My refuge is humanity. I will not buy glass for the price of diamond, and I will not allow patriotism to triumph over humanity as long as I live." This quote teaches a lot. There is a festival in India, we call it Vinayak Chaturthi. Vinayak Chaturthi means a Lord Ganesha festival. What is the significance of Ganesha? He is supposed to remove all the obstacles from one's life. This does not mean he can remove all the obstacles. He had big head. They removed his small head and put a big head. He's supposed to be super intelligent and super balanced. If we maintain sharp sense of intelligence and balance, then all the obstacles will go naturally in life. That's what Ganesha represent. Also, he had big stomach. Believe me, we can't match him in stomach business. But if we maintain the balance and intelligence, then there will be no obstacles in life. Every obstacle is possibility. Now, virus time, the pandemic, well, it has disrupted our life, but it need not destroy our lives if we maintain balance and intelligence. Well, we will see that this pandemic situation will create great opportunity for many problems. So, I hope you are taking care of yourself with maintaining intelligence and balance. Thank you so much.